There are many astonishing aspects of outer space. Quite a few people are skeptical about outer space. In fact, for years, regarding the 1969 moon landing, conspiracy theories about all other moon landings and various space missions keep emerging again and again. A 2019 survey on satellite internet found, despite abundant evidence, still, 10% of Americans believe the moon landing was a hoax. Those deniers tend to support the flat Earth theory. Although they admit other planets are definitely spheres, they think the Earth is not. But some also believe other planets might be cleverly angled disks, or even just a carefully crafted mirage. Simulation theory suggests our whole reality might be a carefully designed simulation. Stars, satellites, planets, and asteroids are all artificially created. Nick Bostrom, an Oxford professor who first detailed the simulation hypothesis, said, "It's quite likely that one day humans will develop the necessary computing power to build finely crafted simulated lives. In a sense, space would still be as real as everything we perceive. But in another sense, there must be something existing beyond the simulation. After all, someone has to build it. They have to base the work on some kind of foundation. Therefore, another interpretation of simulation theory could be that even if our reality isn't real, it still remains highly likely that space exists in some form within a broader universe. Space, although strange, does indeed exist. Take the notorious Mars 1 mission as an example. For years, many supporters were deceived. This crowdfunding plan claimed it intended to send humans to the Red Planet, though countless scientists pointed out serious flaws in the plan. Many still believed in it. The Mars 1 failure shows it's at least possible to fake plans for space missions. In a world where space turns out to be fake, that means all our real space missions are fake too. Space fraudsters must be extremely powerful people, with enough connections and resources to fake all of human history. In 2013, a study by Public Policy Polling found 4% of Americans believe in the existence of lizard people. So could they have evolved like us and become the makers of the space lies? Actually, perhaps the real reason behind these illusions isn't so terrifying. That's all for this episode. What do you think? Be sure to leave a comment. See you next time.